In today's news headlines, 3 men were shot and killed in Bull Bay in St. Andrew. The police have identified the victims of this triple murder. The 3 individuals who were killed in a triple murder in 8 Miles in Bull Bay, St. Andrew on Sunday morning include Kevin Bonfield, a 26-year-old man also called Killy of a Whitehall, St. Thomas address. Orville Hermit, a 29-year-old man also known as Mr. Bean of a Pleasant View, Bull Bay, St. Andrew address, along with Earl Jackson, a 54-year-old man also called Presley of a Pleasant View, Bull Bay, St. Andrew address as well. Reports indicate that close to 12:10 a.m., all 3 men were along a roadway when they were approached by a group of armed men who opened fire, hitting them. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the men were seen with gunshot wounds. The men were taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead by the medical team. The police are asking anyone with information in relation to this incident to contact the CIB at 876-928-4200 or call Crime Stop at 311 or use the police 119 emergency number. Investigations are still ongoing into this matter. Further reports indicate that one of the 3 persons who are now deceased following a gun attack on Rasta Lane in 8 Miles, Bull Bay, St. Andrew on Sunday morning was a jerk chicken vendor. Law enforcement officers from the Kingston East Division are currently investigating a shooting incident which occurred on Windward Way in Kingston 2. This incident occurred on Saturday night and left 1 man dead and 2 others nursing gunshot wounds. The deceased man has been identified as 46-year-old Aubrey Mars, also called Dangles, a barber of Windward Way. Reports indicate that all 3 individuals were on the roadway playing a game of cards close to 10 p.m. when a motorcycle with 2 men aboard approached them. It is further alleged that the pillion disembarked the motorcycle and opened gunfire at the men before both made their escape. The police were alerted and all 3 victims were transported to the hospital where Mr. Mars was pronounced dead. The other 2 men were admitted in stable condition. So far, no motive has been established for the shooting incident. The police are asking for anyone with information in relation to this incident to contact the CIB at 928-4200. Use the 311 number for Crime Stop or call the police 119 emergency number. We would like to extend our condolences to the families, friends, and associates of the individuals who passed away during these incidents. Thanks for watching and goodbye.